Good day everyone. Today I will present my creative project called the Fash Bottle Hanging Plant Pot. This is made from a recycled plastic bottle that I transformed into a decorative and useful item. This project inspired by DIY ideas where plastic bottles are turned into beautiful plant holders. This kind of crafts promote recycling and creativity, showing that waste materials can be useful and attractive. First, I prepare the materials such as an empty plastic bottle, rope, lace, or cloth for design, paint, and glue. I carefully cut the bottle into a shape and made holes on the sides to attach the rope turning into hanging container. Next, I decorate the bottle to make it look posh or elegant by adding lace and choosing a pleasing color. The design make is just not functional but also visual appealing. This splash bottle can be used as a plant holder, organizer, or decoration in home or our classroom. It helps reduce plastic waste while also improving creativity and craftsmanship. Through this project, I learned the importance of recycling, patience, and creativity. It showed that simple materials can become something beautiful with an effort and imagination. My wash bottle is just not a craft, but a symbol of how we can take care of the environment while expressing our artistic skills.